Happy Mother's Day and welcome back to the News, Knowledge, and Life channel. It's your man King Williams with an update from the Grow series. And as y'all know, family, I've been showing you guys updates on the growing that I've been doing. I definitely been planting seeds in this rain. It's kind of crazy, but I had to put them out there. The time is now. They say that the weather will be warming up this week. And I'm gonna go do a run through update here and show you all what I have growing and what seeds I planted today. First of all, I want to go back to the kale. As y'all can see, the kale is looking nice and healthy. Look how beautiful that look. Amazing. And also the lettuce was having a hard time. I had a couple of plants coming up, but I went and got 2 more packets of lettuce and threw those seeds in, mixed it up. This should do very, very well when it starts warming up real good here. I have some spinach here. As you can see, there's 2 pots of spinach. I also grew some more spinach outside in the garden here. And I also got some more kale in the garden as well. So come with me, family, and I'm going to show you around and show you what I have planted and put some more seeds in as well. Before we go out there to the garden, I'm going to show you this beautiful basil plant that's coming up. Very nice. I also have some basil seeds here that's going to be grown here in the greenhouse. That's going to be marvelous. I'm going to put some peas and plant some peas back there, and also beans, some bush beans here, some fava bush beans, and some Blue Lake bush beans. So let's go ahead in the backyard. I will be also showing, matter of fact, before we go to the backyard and see the garden there, I'm going to show you the mulch garden that I got going on the side where the sunflowers are at. I got a couple cherry tomato plants there coming up real nice, and I also planted some more seeds, some more sunflowers down as well. So come with me, family, and we're gonna go ahead and show you all that. One moment. And as y'all can see here, I have a beautiful two tomato plants here coming up real nice here. You can see there's a plant there, there's a plant there. As you can see, there's 2 of them. And them babies is gonna come up real nice. This whole area gonna be full of cherry tomatoes. And y'all can see that those sunflowers are looking very, very nice. They're coming up good. I got another row of them right here that's gonna be coming up real soon, and I got some on the other side of this gate. So family, I'm gonna take you in the garden area and we're gonna plant some stuff. I'm gonna show you what I have planted, what's coming up, and show you what's happening. All right. Well, I'm here in the backyard garden area where I got some stuff growing, and we're gonna do a walk through here, family. And I'm gonna also plant some seeds over here, some more seeds as well. Right here, this area from this cucumber you see growing up, all of this area here is gonna be cucumber. I got a beautiful flowers over there as well. But yeah, this is the cucumber. All of this area. All of this is going to be full with vines, and I'm going to line it up on this fence here, little red fence. And I'm going to show you all so that from here on back is all cucumbers, and I put seeds in there as well. So your seeds, I put that in this morning. And I have a pepper here. I have a bell pepper right over here, family, as you can see. No, that's my red banana pepper here. As you can see, no, this is my bell pepper. That's my green bell pepper right there, my people. All right, that's gonna come up there really nice, coming up good. Right over here is my red banana pepper right there. And here is a jalapeno pepper that's gonna grow up right here. That's coming up really nice. And right over here, I have my okra. Oh, the plants here. You see those okra plants? I just put some more seeds here. So All the way down in this line is going to be full of okra plants in this whole area here. That's going to come up. I have my cilantro. That ain't doing too well, but it's going to be okay. You know, it's getting plenty of rain out here. It's raining right now as we speak. So that's gonna come up real nice. We're gonna be doing an update on all of this once it gets full here. Everything start coming up better. And we also have carrots. You can see the carrots is coming, you know, sprouting up. So I put some more seeds all the way from the beginning of the fence all the way down. So this is all gonna be a bushy area full of carrots. And as we go here, we're gonna go here to the beets. This is my beets here. You see these two lines here? That's where the beets are. As you can see, they're coming up really nice. All in the line. You see that? See that right there? All in that area. I'm gonna go ahead and put some more seed down as I'm talking to you guys as we're doing this here. As you can see, I got a line going all the way down to this fence here, going here towards me. I'm gonna go ahead and put my seeds in as a line here. You guys can see how I'm doing it. All right, and I'm gonna bury this thing. Look at that. I got the packet open, and this beets here are called Early Wonders. So I'm gonna put some in here. What I'm gonna do is sprinkle it all the way down. As you can see, look at those seeds. We want it all the way down. We can even put some in this area, kind of fill it out. It's okay if you get it. If you get those seeds in a different area, it doesn't matter. They're all in the same area. That's all that matters. As you can see, I'm out here in the rain. I've been out here since this morning doing it. And again, to all the mothers out there, happy Mother's Day to you. I hope y'all enjoying y'all day. This day belongs to y'all. And I'm out here doing some gardening work out here in the rain. Why not? We're in hard times right now, and we gotta start growing our own shack. And right over here, I got the kale. You see what its footprint is? The kale is all here, and I got the spinach right next to it, right in this line right here. I seeded that this morning. That's gonna be coming up looking very nice. I'm gonna go to the strawberry plant and show y'all the strawberry. Strawberry plant is looking beautiful. Y'all can see right in the middle here, the flowers all coming up. All my strawberries is gonna be good this year. As y'all can see, that plant is looking beautiful than ever. And I'm gonna go over here and plant some of those. Let's go ahead and go with the peas here. Let's go with the peas. I'm gonna put some peas here. Family, you can see I got it dug up in this area. I'm gonna put my peas here, and I'm gonna put my beans in. All right, so as y'all can see, that's how those peas look. And I'm just gonna go ahead and sprinkle them here, just like that, all the way down. And I'm gonna cover this up. Get all the seeds out there, family. Don't waste no time doing this shit. And I'm gonna go. I had to take that glove off. It was real hard getting them seeds out. I can reach in the bag and grab what I need, or shake it out if I gotta tear it. Whatever I need to do. So I'm just gonna go ahead. As you can see, I'm not really digging too deep. I got this dirt chopped up real good, nice and moist. And I'm just gonna go ahead and cover it all. Who cares if you get your hands dirty? For your own food, it's good to get your hands dirty. Look at that. This is gonna come up real nice. Look at that. You can see I'm patting that in. Let it breathe. Let it breathe. Crumple that up there. All of that should start sprouting out real soon. That's how we want that. As you can see, that looks great. And next we're gonna go ahead and go with our bush beans. I have 2 bush beans here that I'm gonna plant right in this area. Right here is the fava beans, okay? So you can see what they look like. They're pretty big. And what I'm gonna do is give it a little room right in this area right here. I'm gonna put them here. My bush beans is gonna go right in this area. I'm just gonna sprinkle them in there. As you can see, they're pretty big. I'm gonna spread them out. I'm gonna plant these beautiful little fat seeds here. And I'm gonna be doing a lot of updates on this garden as we go, my people. It's very important to show y'all the process of what we got going on here. All right, look at that. And I'm gonna put out my my sign here. I got a little label here for my fava beans, so therefore I'll know what's what in that area. Right here, right next to it, we're gonna go with the Blue Lake beans here that I got going on. And we're gonna put them right up in here. Let me go ahead and get that out. And I want to say thank you all for tuning in, you know, to the News, Knowledge, and Life channel. It's important to come here and get the message. So I got my Blue Lake bush beans. They look like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and put them in. And family, this is a very, very good day for me to come out here and do this, because you know, a lot of the youngsters out there can learn something from this, and a lot of even some adults can learn. If you ain't never did this before, this is great. It's great therapy, and you definitely can get some produce out of all of this. Lots of it. I'm gonna cover all this up. Remember, you don't have to go too crazy with this. You got good rich soil like this, you can sprinkle on top. Everything gonna, from all the rain and everything and water in it, it's gonna cover up really nice here. Look at that, family. Very, very nice. So I got my fava beans right over there and my Blue Lake bush beans. These are 2 different kind of bush beans, as y'all seen the seeds. One was darker and one was a little lighter. And I got those in the ground. And I have one more thing that I have to do. I'm gonna go ahead and plant my cucumbers right over here. As y'all see, I have this whole area dug up, and I'm just gonna sprinkle them in the whole area here. Why not? Sprinkle them and then I'll bury them. And I'm gonna vine these things all on this fence here anyway. So once they start growing, they grow in these vines, and I'm gonna set it up on the fence, and they're gonna be growing like crazy, like last year. If some of you watched the show, you see that I grew some honeydew last year, and they came out really nice. All right, I'm out here getting my hands dirty. Look at that, family. These are the cantaloupe. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sprinkle it all over. I want it all over in these areas here. As you can see, don't be scared, because I got another pack over here too. So I'm gonna move this shovel out the way. No need for that. And I'm gonna have this whole area full of cantaloupe. Okay, I got more seeds, family, for you. I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle those all over. And that's how we gonna do it. Now what I'm gonna do is bury these babies. Y'all can see I'm burying those seeds. You can see that I'm burying them. They need to breathe, family. You don't have to go crazy when you're doing this, when you're planting, or when when you're seeding like this. You got rich dirt like this, it's all good. I'm gonna show y'all the process and how it's gonna pan out when the time comes, my people. Look at that. All of these cucumbers. Not cucumbers, but cantaloupe. It's gonna be beautiful in this area. Look at that. All of that. And the rain is coming down, my people, as we do this. As I do this. All right. We got all of our cantaloupe here. We got our bush beans in here, 2 different kinds. We got our peas over here, my people. That's gonna come up really good. I will be doing an update on the Grow series, and I want to thank you all for tuning in. It's getting cold out here and it's raining. Catch me on the next video. I will definitely be bringing out more videos today. And I want to say peace and love to all of y'all, and happy Mother's Day to the mothers. Your man King Williams is out. Catch me on the next video. One love. Peace.